In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple pixel art in Canva using a pixel grid. We'll keep things clear and beginner-friendly so you can follow along and get a clean, crisp pixel look every time. First, open your browser and head to canva.com, then log in to your account. Once you're on your home page, start a new design. Click Create a design, then choose Custom Size. Type 500 by 500 pixels and create the canvas. This square size is perfect because it keeps your artwork balanced and exports nicely without stretching. Next, let's set up the pixel grid, which is the most accurate way to build pixel art in Canva. Click on Elements, and in the search bar type phrases like Grid 100 Squares or Pixel Grid. You're looking for a grid made of many equal squares, often labeled as 10x10 or 2020. When you find one that looks evenly spaced, click it to add it to your canvas and adjust it so it fills the space. If what you find isn't perfectly uniform, try alternate searches like square mosaic, block grid, or pixel pattern. The goal is a tight, consistent grid where each square is the same size. If nothing quite fits, there's a reliable workaround right inside Elements. Search for Table, insert a table, and set it to 10 by 10. Resize the table into a perfect square by dragging the corners while keeping it proportionate, and center it on the canvas. This instantly becomes your pixel canvas, with each cell acting as a pixel. Now it's time to color your pixels. If you used a grid from Elements, click a single square, then click the color tile to choose your color. Repeat this process to build shapes, outlines, and shading. If you used a table, click any cell, select Fill Color, and pick your color, then continue cell by cell to paint your design. Zooming in can help with precision, and limiting your palette to a few colors often gives your pixel art a clean, retro feel. Try blocking out the main shapes first, then add highlights and shadows to bring it to life. Avoid resizing your grid after you begin coloring to preserve that crisp, chunky pixel look. When you're happy with the artwork, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Choose PNG for a sharp, web-friendly file, and click Download. Your pixel art is ready to use, post, or share anywhere.